Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay seller account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the eBay homepage at www.ebay.com. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. If you already have an eBay account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, click on register to create a new one. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Click on Create Account to proceed. Next, go to the My eBay section after logging in. Select Selling from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to start the seller registration process. Fill in the required information regarding your business, if applicable. Enter your payment information for selling fees and refunds. Add your bank account details for receiving payments. Review and accept eBay's policies and user agreements. Click on Submit to finalize your registration as a seller. Once completed, you are now ready to start listing items for sale. Navigate to the Sell button to begin your first listing. Now, you can follow the prompts to get your item set up for sale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.